Hey guys, welcome back to Coffin Girl Nails. I just wanted to do a quick video to give a shout out to the winner of our 100 subscribers giveaway. I'm so honored and thankful that all of you guys are subscribed and that you guys watch my videos. I'm kind of nervous. This is my first face-to-face video with you guys. I just want to say how honored I am that you guys watch my videos, and I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much. I'm growing as a nail tech, and I hope that you guys are learning something, and if you guys comment and leave advice for me, then I'll be learning something as well. Maybe I should make some bullet points or like a little cheat sheet of what I'm supposed to say, because I'm just getting going off on a tangent. This is my first time to really just sit here and talk to you guys, and I don't even know what to say. I just want to say thank you. This is going to be a pretty short video. We had a really quick incident, so we moved over the weekend. So I do have videos coming up today. So there hasn't been a few videos the past few days. I announced the winner literally on Instagram, on Facebook, on here, but I'm just now doing the video to announce who the winner is. Our winner is Nene Nails 87. Nene, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for being a subscriber. And I noticed that you do nail videos too. Please start doing them again. Like, if you are a nail tech and you're actually out there doing the nails, then post your Instagram. I want to see your work. Keep doing what you're doing, and like, do some videos. Let's team up. Let's do something together. I want to get with you. I left my email on the comment and like on the YouTube comments, and I'll leave it down below as well. So Nene, please get a hold of me, email me, or comment below somehow so that I can get a hold of you and email you. Let's get together so that I can get your prize to you. I want you to have like a gift box from me. Thank you so much for being subscribed. Thank you all for being subscribed. Be sure and subscribe, go to Instagram and follow, and join the Facebook group. It's Coffin Girl Nails. I am looking forward to seeing you and getting to know all of you. Let me see. I think that's about it. I'm just sitting here just so excited to be here and so excited to be talking to you guys and doing my first like live in-person type of video with you guys. I'm kind of shy. Like, on here, usually I have hella words to say and I'm all about telling you stuff, but I don't know, I'm kind of being shy. I have a lot of videos coming up. If you guys have ideas, give me a shout out. Tell me what you want to see. Be sure on the videos to comment, because I want to do post shout outs. So anytime that you comment on a video, I go back and look at the last video before I post my comments and stuff on my videos, on the new video, and I do a shout out to whoever posts on the last video. So if you comment on the last video, you have a chance of me calling out your name and saying something. If you comment something and say, hey, I love my mom, then I'll be like, hey, Nene loves her mom, or you know, something like that. So be sure and go and comment something, and I'll read that if you want me to read that, or you know, I'll just tell you what's up, say hi. I'm in San Antonio. On my Facebook, I've noticed that you guys are from all over the place. I even have some people from the UK, I have people from Australia. Like, I love it. So keep getting a hold of me, keep letting me know that you're here, and spread the word, because I want to be here for a while. So I love you guys, and I will be around. I'm gonna get off this video because this is so weird. It is so exciting, and I'm so glad to be here, but I don't know, it's just I kind of like doing the nail thing. This whole face-to-face thing is kind of strange. So I'm gonna get out from behind the camera and get some nails in the camera. So you guys have a wonderful day, and Nene, please get a hold of me. I want to send you a gift, and thank you guys. Love you. Bye. Mwah.